Hello everyone. Welcome to today's webinar on how to become a data analyst in 2026. If you are a student and confused about career option in ITE, this session is specially for you. Today I will explain the roadmap, skills, salary, and how you can start from zero. By the end of the session, you will know exactly how to start. What is data? Data is a collection of raw facts, numbers, text, images, or observations that can be recorded and analyzed. Data means information in raw form. What do you by data analysis? Data analysis is the process of collecting, cleaning, organizing, and examining data to find useful information and make better decisions. Simple meaning: data analysis, turning raw data into meaningful insights. What is data analyst? A data analyst is a professional who collects, cleans, analyzes, and interprets data to help companies make better business decisions. Example: real life. Imagine a shopping company wants to know which product sells more: Amazon, Instagram. Which month has highest sales? Swiggy suggests food based on your previous order. A data analyst collects sales data, uses Excel, SQL to analyze, creates charts in Power BI, gives report to management. Then management takes decisions based on that report. Main responsibilities: collect data, clean data, remove errors, duplicates, analyze data, create reports and dashboards, give insights to business team. Data analyst versus data science. Data scientist uses data to predict what will happen. Data analyst analyzes past data to explain what happened. Roadmap for learning. Data analyst: Excel, SQL, Power BI, Tableau. Basic statistics: Python. Salary and damp carriers or fresher salary in India 5 LPA to 10 LPA. Job roles: junior data analyst, bussiness analyst, miss executive, reporting analyst, banking, healthcare, IT industries.